Hey there, the team over at QPAU sent over this inflatable punching bag for your children ages 6 and up. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. All right guys, so everything was wrapped up in its own individual packaging once you get inside the box. First up, we have our gloves. They have Velcro closure, and the Velcro goes all the way around so your child's gonna be able to get on there and tighten it up as they need. I have little hands, so they also fit me. Nice wide Velcro strip and feels pretty tight. The vinyl bag itself, neatly folded, and in feeling it at this point, feels like it's decent weight. So we're gonna have to blow this up and see what it looks like. You don't wanna be there for hours inflating the bag. It does come with a pump. It's in 2 pieces, so it just goes together. And there you go, so you're not gonna have to be using all that hot air. Finally, the bag with the instructions, which can be important even though this is fairly simple. It does have a QPAU bracelet in there. And finally, just in case the kids get too rough, there's some patches and how to fix that vinyl bag should it break. Guys, that's what's in the box. I want to thank QPAU for sending this over, and I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.